Happy day students. Today we are going to read about chapter 4 climate, class 9 social science geography. Basically we start off the lesson by understanding the difference between what is weather and what is climate. Now let us see. General weather conditions over a period of 30 years period is said to be the climate of a place. Weather refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. Temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation are the elements of weather and climate. Generalized monthly atmospheric condition determines the basis on which the year is divided into season like summer, winter or rainy season. Now, India has a monsoon type of climate. Monsoon is basically a seasonal reversal in the wind through the year. There is a huge difference in temperature from one region to another. Coastal areas observe lesser difference in temperature conditions. It is the interior of the India that experiences temperature contrasts. Now, what are the factors that affect the climate? Climatic controls. The interplay of latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, pressure and wind system, ocean currents, and relief features determine the climatic condition of a place. The factors affecting India's climate, like we already discussed, latitude, altitude, and pressure and winds affect Indian climate. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of country from the run of Kutch to Mizoram. Air temperature generally decreases from equator towards the poles. Temperature and air pressure decreases as one moves from surface of the earth to higher altitudes. The Himalaya prevents cold winds from Central Asia from entering the subcontinent. The climate and associated weather conditions in India are governed by various atmospheric conditions, namely pressure and surface winds, upper air circulation, western cyclonic disturbances, and tropical cyclones. The sea exerts a moderating influence on climate. People far away from sea experience extreme weather conditions, which is known as continentality. Ocean currents also affect the climate of a coastal area. An apparent force caused by Earth's rotation is the Coriolis force. The wind direction changes as per the season. They are from northeast to southwest in winter, whereas completely reverse in summer, bringing moisture. Jet streams are narrow belts of high altitude, westerly winds in the troposphere. The western cyclonic disturbances are weather phenomena of the winter months brought in by the westerly flow from the Mediterranean region. The Indian monsoons. The climate of India is strongly influenced by monsoon winds. The Arab traders who noticed these winds named it as monsoons. Following facts are important to understand mechanism of monsoons. The differential heating and cooling of land and water. The ITCZ, the Intertropical Convergence Zone, is a broad trough of low pressure in equatorial latitudes where the northeast and the southeast trade winds converge. The presence of high pressure area east of Madagascar. The intense heating of Tibetan plateau during summer. The movement of westerly jet streams to the north of Himalayas, and the presence of tropical easterly jet streams over the Indian peninsula during the summer. The onset of monsoons and withdrawal. The monsoons are pulsating winds affected by different atmospheric conditions encountered by it on its way over the warm tropical seas. Monsoon arrives at the southern tip of Indian peninsula regularly by the first week of June. Sudden increase and continuation of the monsoon for several days is called as burst. Caused as bursts. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branches of monsoon merge over the northwestern part of Ganga plains. The withdrawal or the retreat of monsoon is a more gradual process which begins with the northwestern states of India by early September. The retreating monsoons or the transition season sees the change from hot rainy season to dry winter season. The low pressure conditions over northwestern India gets transferred to the Bay of Bengal by early November, causing cyclonic disturbances originating over the Andaman Sea. Owing to the nature of monsoon, the annual rainfall is highly variable from year to year. Areas of high rainfall are liable to be affected by floods while areas of low rainfall are drought prone. The seasons, four main seasons can be identified in India: the cold weather season, the hot weather season, the advancing monsoons and the retreating monsoons. In cold weather season, the northeastern trade winds prevail over India. Days are warm and nights are cold. Frost is common in north and higher slopes of Himalayan. Experience snowfall. The summer months experience rising temperature and falling air pressure in the northern parts of India. A striking feature of hot weather season are strong, gusty, hot, dry winds blowing during the day over the north and northwestern India called the Lu. In the advancing monsoons, the northwestern region of the countries receive maximum rainfall. The dust storms in northern India are common. The localized thunderstorms associated with violent winds, torrential downpour, often accompanied by hail. In West Bengal, they are known as Khal Baisakhi. From June onwards, the monsoon occupies most of the Indian peninsula and central part within a month. So, monsoon has breaks in rainfall, thus, it has wet and dry spells. The alternation of dry and wet spells vary in intensely frequency and duration, causing heavy floods. By beginning of October, the monsoons withdraw from northern plains. Rainfall in India ranges from 400 centimeters in western coast and northeastern India to 660 centimeters in western Rajasthan and adjoining areas. Monsoon as a unifying bond. The dependence of farmers on rain, a change in seasonal cycle, variations in temperature, and needs of humans, plants, and animals, festival dates, etc., all depend on the monsoons in India. In this way, monsoon is a unifying bond for Indians. This is the difference between the advancing and retreating monsoons in the form of a tabular column, taking into consideration the duration, pressure condition, and prevailing winds. This is a map showing the advancing and retreating monsoons, and we also have a map that shows that has divided India into different parts based upon the centimeter of rainfall that it receives. With this, we come to an end of the lesson. Please read the content that is given in the textbook. Thank you.